Hello everybody and welcome to this next lesson in Sketchup for Schools. Now we're going to be taking things a little slower than our first lesson here, mainly because, we're going to cover something a little harder. But before we get anything done, we are going to need to, as much as I love Mr. No Face here who follows you everywhere you look, and as much as I love that heckin' cool shirt and ascot there, he needs to go. So go ahead, select him, and delete. So in today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to make a sphere. Now, you might think making a sphere would be easy. There's just a sphere button. However, that is not the case. So what we need to do is go over to our rectangle tool here, click it, and then you're going to see all of these options that come out. Now that center one is what we need, and that is our circle tool. What we're going to want to do is not mess up in the zoom like that for sure, but we're going to want to get an overhead look of our X, Y, and Z origin point there. Select our circle tool, and then we're going to draw a circle out. So you can see I've just taken a circle from origin and I aligned it to the red axis. Now, what I'm going to do is orbit around, and I am going to try to get this circle to go along the Z axis or the Z axis here. So a quick handy guide to make that happen is I actually like to draw a line from the origin point upwards. It makes it a lot simpler, and then when I go kind of on this orbit plane where I'm almost near flat to it, like that, I'm able to select, and then I can drag my circle upwards. Now, what I'm trying to do here as I move the circle is I'm trying to get it to the intersection right there of the other circle. So you can see if we rotate around, if we did this correctly, we made a very nice circle cross plane right here. So then, at that point, we can take our eraser tool, erase that part, and then we can erase this section here, and you might notice that the circle is now just unfilled. So we can fix that by simply going from origin down, and like that, and now we have a nice half circle set up. Let's go ahead and erase this other quadrant here. And you can see now I have kind of like this T shape. That's what you're going for. All right, so we have a half circle with a full circle here. So to create your sphere, you're going to select the push-pull tool here, and then you're going to want to use what's called the Follow Me tool. We'll select that, and then all you have to do is select one face of the object that you want, and then you're going to trace it along that circle plane from your red axis there. And there you can see we've created a very nice looking sphere at this point. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in class, or if you are watching this video on YouTube, first off, thanks for checking this out. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you can always leave your comments or questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.